Okay, so we promised our listeners that we would answer their questions and calls with you.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Yeah, you ready
Surprise
to go for it?
me.
Okay, all right. So let's start with Kim from Florida.
Hey, Splendid Table, this is Kim from Florida. Help! We're so sick of chicken. But what do we have defrosted tonight? 2 chicken breasts. My husband needs to be on a heart-healthy diet, but we kind of love spice. You got any great ideas for some chicken, maybe some chicken broth, and any interesting spices? Before he kills me for making more chicken, please send help. Thanks.
Okay, so first order of business is no violence in the home. It's so funny because I have been desperate for chicken because I've been eating a sausage because I'm like, we can't go to the store. Can't go to the store. What do you think? 2 chicken breasts and they're already sick of chicken.
I know what to do.
Let's hear
I have
it.
an idea. I should say I'm not sure it's like the best in the world. But as she was speaking, I had an idea, which was cook it in such a way so that it can get shredded. And what immediately came to mind for me was kind of to make like a taco kind of filling, you know?
Yeah.
So if I had a can of tomatoes, or another thing that would be so good is if you had those canned chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. But yeah, you could just use an onion, a little broth, and you basically braise the chicken breasts. You could brown them on either side and then just put them in a little pot or pan covered with some liquid and just simmer them till they're tender and then shred them and mix them with this delicious juice that you've made. I would probably put some chili flake if I didn't have the chipotle and some ground cumin. I'm like an overuser of cumin for sure. If I had cilantro, I would put in some fresh cilantro at the end. And just make kind of like a stewed shredded chicken for like a burrito filling or a taco filling.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. It's funny. I was thinking a similar thing, kind of going the other direction in terms of like not cooking it so long where you can shred it, but poaching it, right?
Ooh, yeah.
And so keeping it really nice and tender and then dice it up small. And I was thinking maybe if you have like carrots, blanch some carrots. If you have other vegetables, certainly some sautéed onion or things like that. I don't know if she has herbs available, but maybe some fresh herbs, even some mint or something. And then do like sort of a warm chicken salad-y kind of thing. Ooh. And if you have lettuce, do it with lettuce cups and make a Vietnamese nuoc cham.
Oh my God, that sounds so good.
Yeah, God, yeah. I've been like waiting for the moment to make that.
That sounds so good.
So nuoc cham is a combination of fish sauce, hot water, sugar, lime juice, and often there's a little bit of diced, like finely minced garlic and finely minced chilies if you like that. And it's just this incredibly delicious, savory, a little bit sweet, a little bit sour dressing you could splash on stuff. And that'd be great with lettuce cups, or like that with rice. It's not all chicken all day long, right? It's chicken as a part of this other combination of textures and flavors. And
maybe some cucumber.
Yeah, cucumber would be great. Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so good. Now I want that.
Yeah. And if she's in Florida, I mean, they might be getting tomatoes. I mean, Florida produces tomatoes year round, right? But like something just fresh and light that doesn't feel like it's like, oh boy, here's another roasted chicken breast.
Ooh, that sounds so good. Let's go eat that with her.
Yeah.
In our imaginations.
Yeah, we can't. All right. Hope that helps, Kim. Let's
Good luck,
go to
Kim.
Yeah. God.
And Kim's husband.
Yeah. The two of you love each other. Now is the time to stay loving each other.